In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play No Man's Sky VR on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you the proper instructions so you can play No Man's Sky on your PlayStation 4 in VR. So of course, make sure that you have PlayStation VR all set up and ready to go. In this video, I'm not gonna go over too much detail about how to set up your PS VR headset, but it should be pretty simple to do. So make sure that you acquire the PlayStation VR gear and the controller. Now, once you are ready to use PlayStation VR, all that you have to do is install No Man's Sky. If you are doing this process on a PlayStation 5, you need to be aware that you need to download a separate installation of the PlayStation 4 version. So, if you do this process on a PlayStation 5, instead of downloading the PlayStation 5 version of No Man's Sky, you should highlight the game, press the options button, and you will be able to see an option for the PlayStation 4 version. Select that version and you will be able to play in VR. Now, to actually boot into VR mode, it is extremely straightforward. Just start the game with the PlayStation VR connected and turned on. As long as you have PSVR all set up with the controllers enabled, ready to go, as soon as you launch the PlayStation 4 version of No Man's Sky on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you will be able to play No Man's Sky or any other game in virtual reality. So, to summarize, turn on your PlayStation VR gear, make sure that it is enabled, and download the PlayStation 4 version of No Man's Sky, even if you are on a PlayStation 5. Once you boot the game up with the PlayStation VR gear connected, it should automatically start in PlayStation VR mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to play No Man's Sky in VR PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.